Okay, so what we're talking about here is something we've discussed before, is this idea of tucking in the lower ribs here to anchor, and then trying to imagine, like with breathing, that you're not tummy breathing or belly breathing. You want to really, with these lower ribs, breathe out from the sides while maintaining a good core contraction. So it's kind of like you level that pelvis, you tuck this in like two opposing buckets facing each other up right here, and then keeping your hands here trying to feel that as you breathe in. It's okay to go up and down from the upper chest, but down here we want to keep a little bit of tension. That balance of tension is really important to work with and against the diaphragm. So when we breathe in from the diaphragm, everything expands out. When we breathe out, the diaphragm doesn't push the air out. It's all these muscles around here in the core and these intercostal muscles, like if you eat ribs, like meat, that's those muscles there. And so all those muscles help to, when you breathe out, to pull in and squeeze the air out. But the problem is, if we expand through the tummy here, what happens is we lose our core control, and we get to do things like this. Like women very, very pregnant commonly complains about low back pain because they're kind of stuck like this. So there's a lot of compression and kind of distension of this abdominal area here and beating up your low back. So we want to keep those hips back, level this, pull these ribs in. And when we breathe, we don't want to lose any of that. So we got to breathe from somewhere. So we're going to expand from the diaphragm out in here. And you can also practice that when you're doing like some of those laying on your back. You can have your legs up on the couch or whatever here, but you want to try to practice that in a more relaxed position. We kind of do with those wheels and kind of level that anchor there and try to keep this chest up, that down, and then breathing with control. And it takes practice. So don't force it. Don't get frustrated. Take your time to get your brain and your body to connect. And that's that.